Are you reading a story? Austin, what's the horsey say? What's the monkey say? What's the doggy say? What's the piggy say? What's the kitty cat say? What's the lion say? What's mommy say? Ugh. Very good. What's the tiger say? Good enough. You did a good job. What's your book about?